Hello, Mom. Thank you for always being patient to us and encouraging to do our best in our studies. I love you, Mom. Teacher Mila, maraming salamat po sa pagturo niyo sa amin at babaunin ko po ito sa paglaki ko. Hi, Ma'am Mila. Thank you for teaching us and giving us good memories. You gave me the best time this school year. I will never forget you. Love you. Love, Mira. Heart. Hello, Teacher Mila. Thank you po sa pagtuturo po sa amin. Di man po kami perfectong estudyante, pero nandito po kayo sa aming tabi upang gabayan, unawain at intindihin po kami. You are the best teacher ever. Ingat po kayo palagi. I love you, Teacher Mua. Hi, Ma'am Mila. Salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin at sa mahabang pasensya nyo. Mananatili po kayo nasa puso namin. Hi po, Ma'am Milagros. Thank you po sa pagtuturo sa amin at madami rin po akong natutunan sa inyo. Salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin lahat, lalo na po sa akin. Maraming po ako natutunan sa mga Hello, teacher. Thank you, teacher, for helping me grow, for inspiring me, and thank you for your dedication and support. Goodbye and pinagi. Hello po, Ma'am Mira. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Sa mahabang pasensya at matyagang pagtuturo sa amin. Nang dahil sa inyo, madami po kaming nalaman at natutunan. We will miss you, Ma'am Mira. Ingat lang po palagi. God bless you. Hilaweba, salamat po sa pagtulong po niyo sa amin at sa aking aral. Marami po ako natututunan. Namimiss po kita. I love you. Afternoon po, Teacher Milagros. Si Villanueva, thank you very much for all the things I learned that you taught me this year here in grade 2. Thank you very much because I learned a lot from you. I'll take this with me as I grow up. I hope there are more teachers like you, kind and good. May God always guide you and may you always be in a good health. That's all. I love you, teacher. Dear Teacher Mila, you made learning fun and engaging. Your class was always the highlight of my day. Thanks for being an awesome teacher. I love you. At we love you po. At salamat po sa pag-aaral sa amin. Pagtuturo po. Hello, Teacher Mila. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Marami po ako natutunan aral sa inyo. Hindi po kita nakakalimutan. God bless you po. Hello, Teacher Mila. Thank you po sa lahat ng Hi, Ma'am Villanueva. Thank you for taking care of us and teaching us. You're the best teacher in the world. Ma'am Mila, salamat po sa pagturo niyo sa amin at sa mga natutunan namin sa iyo. Tapos, salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin na maging mag-alam at mabait. Tapos, salamat po sa inyo na sinusuporta niyo po ako. Salamat.
Go.
Hi po, Ma'am Mila. Salamat po sa pagsusuporta sa amin, pagtuturo sa amin, pagiging matalino na galaw at sinasipag. Thank you po, Ma'am Mila. Hi, Ma'am. Maraming salamat po sa Ma'am Milagros Villanueva. Thank you for guiding me, inspiring me, and always supporting me. You are the best teacher, and I feel very lucky to learn from you. Thank you, Ma'am Milang, for your hard work and dedication. You inspired us daily. Thank you. Dear teacher from Zoe, I was lucky to have a teacher as wonderful as you are. Wishing you a lots of happiness. You are an amazing teacher, and we love you all. You always make us happy, and you are so sweet. You are so kind. You always make my day complete. You help me learn and grow. I love you. Teacher Mila, thank you for always supportive and encouraging and for making the classroom a positive and inspiring place. I'll continue to making you proud. I love you, Teacher Mila.
Three, Malaysia!